Prosecution, may I help you?
Hey, this is Colin James in a recorded line.
Hey, Mr. James, how can I help you?
What's up? Do you need my case number real quick so you can pull it up on your computer real quick?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. What did you say?
I said, do you need my case number real quick so you can
No,
pull it
I
up?
don't go by case numbers. When is it scheduled? It's some date.
The schedule is the date's currently, I believe, January 31st.
And what court?
Merrimack 9th Circuit.
1 second, let me just get my calendar out.
Cool.
Okay, I have it. What can I do? What can I do for you?
Cool. So it came to my attention as I was going through the discovery that, apparently, Judge Ryan issued the initial search warrant.
Okay.
And he's also the judge that's scheduled to hear the case. So I was going to go ahead and file for a motion of change of venue as long as you didn't have any objection to that.
I do have an objection to that. He filed a motion for the search warrant based on the probable cause listed in the warrant.
Okay.
That doesn't mean that he's going to find you guilty at trial. The state still has to meet the burden of proof beyond reasonable doubt that what you charged with, I don't remember what it was.
Yeah,
Transportation of drugs, yeah.
that makes sense. Yeah, mine would be a change of venue because he already has prior knowledge of the case.
I understand your theory, but I would object.
Okay.
I honestly don't believe he would even remember your case. I'm not disparaging the judge, but because they do so many warrants, I doubt he.
Okay. Well,
But you
just
can
because.
certainly file it, but I'd rather he file it sooner rather than later because it's coming up pretty quickly, I think, isn't it?
Well, yeah. Well, I mean, I can come hand deliver it to you today if you want me to.
Well,
But,
it's not me. I'm worried about it's the court.
oh, okay. Well, what? Well,
I need a copy too, but they need one quickly. If you.
all right. Well, I can hand deliver to them also.
Okay.
But why would you? But how? What would your objection to him having?
Changing a venue means the court's going to be taken out of the jurisdiction where the stop was made.
Yeah.
I think what you want is a motion to recuse, not a change of venue. You want the different judge to hear it. You don't want to move it out of the court where the jurisdiction is.
Well, either one is fine with me. Do we? Okay. I mean, would you?
I'm not making any recommendation or legal advice to you. I'm just saying I'm not.
Would you object to a motion would you object for a motion to recuse?
Yes, because I believe the judge can be fair and impartial.
Okay. So you would object to either one, is what you're telling me?
Yeah.
Even though he was the one that granted the initial search warrant. Okay, all right. Well, if you object to it, I'm going to file a motion to dismiss then, because I don't believe that I can get a fair trial unless I can get a judge.
You can still file the motion, even though I object. He could still grant it. He could say, "Oh, Mr. James is correct." I don't know. You're just asking my position.
All right. Okay. All right.
What you want to say is when your motion, I haven't seen your motion obviously, but when you say the defendant has contacted the state, and then you list my name because I'm the prosecutor on the case, and the state objects to this motion, either whatever you're doing to change venue or recuse or whatever. So you just write that in there, and then in your cover letter with it, you say, enclosed, please find the defendant's motion to whatever you can call it. Please note that the state objects. That's all.
All right, well, that's fine. Well, I'd be fine if you guys just dropped the charges also, to be honest. I mean, to be honest with you, I mean, I think there's a lot to go through over a little bit of marijuana. That's my opinion on the subject. I mean, why don't you guys just dismiss the charges? Is this case really that important to the state?
It's not a matter of whether it's important to the state. It's a matter of whether you violated the law, and I think you did. Why did he stop you? Something's wrong with your car, right? There was something with your lamps on the car were broken or something?
I don't really care too much about the stop lamp charge either way. I really care.
Right.
I really care more about the fact that I was stopped on my way to work and my car was taken from me. That's really what I care about. Because because in my eyes, just so you know, in my eyes, like I was minding my own business.
In your eyes, I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I said from my perspective, I was minding my own business. And you guys stopped me in the state, whatever that is, stopped me on my way to work. That's the way I see it.
Well, that's when you present your case at court. You can present that.
No, I'm just telling. No,
he looks at everything.
I understand. I'm not going to use that as part of my. That's not a defense. I'm just telling you that human to human, okay?
Yeah,
but I'll go ahead and file a motion to recuse. And I'll go ahead and I guess and drop it off to you later today if you want me to.
Sure. Do you know what the barracks is?
Yeah, I know where it is.
Okay. I want to make it clear. I wasn't giving you legal advice about what you're filing. I was just perhaps correcting your terminology that you were using. So I don't want you to think I was giving you legal advice about what to do, whether you want to change venue or recuse. Either one is up to you.
Yeah, young lady. Like I said, you're being recorded. I have exactly what you said. Don't
I know,
worry.
I don't want to confuse you because you started with something else and then switched. I just want to make sure I didn't mess you up.
Okay.
So,
All right.
All right. So you can drop it off at the barracks, but most importantly, is to get it to the court.
Okay.
Thanks.
All right, bye.
Bye.